GhostWolfArt has the right to record us. Hi, I'm Caleb Watkins. This is Jamie Watkins. We're here with the Endangered Species Coalition and hashtag VoiceTheRoar, which my wife started. We've been out here all day trying to raise awareness for the endangered species of our state and of our country. One of which is the red wolf and the gray wolf. Many wolves, as which you may know, are endangered and at the brink of extinction.
And bats.
And bats.
There's 4 different types of bats on the endangered species list right now. And
anyway, we're out here trying to raise awareness and trying to get petitions signed so that we can send them in. The Trump administration is trying to have the wolves delisted from the Endangered Species Act, in which case it's going to cut out funding, it's going to allow hunters to make them free game. There's just going to be devastating. Their numbers are not yet at the point which reached to allow them to reproduce in the wild the way that they really need to survive and to flourish the way that they need to.
there's fewer than 30 in the wild right now and only 200 in captivity. And if it's taken off the Endangered Species Act right now, any kind of conservation efforts that have been made in the past would be for nothing.
Which is why it's so important to sign these petitions trying to get the Trump administration to hold off on taking them off of the endangered species list.
If you want to find out more about VoiceTheRoar or the Endangered Species Coalition, you can go to my Facebook page. It's Jamie Watkins, or the VoiceTheRoar Facebook page. You can.
And there's plenty of information on both of these web pages. Both of them's on Facebook. Plenty of good information, good knowledge, plenty of videos for you to watch, and plenty of petitions for you to sign if you feel like doing so, or if you just want to just learn something. It's also a very good way to do so. So please feel free to join our website, join the cause, try to volunteer, do anything that you can. Pick up your plastics, stop throwing all your trash away in your trash cans. Look for a recycling bin. It's not hard to do. Anybody can do it. You don't have to make a drastic change in your life like not eating meat or you know, running marathons. It's just as simple as
Picking up a piece of trash off the ground just to make sure it don't get to the ocean to affect people like, or the whales like Oscar. And
just I guarantee you walk over a piece of trash every single day and do not think twice about it. But if you would just think a half of a second about picking it up, you make over 100 years of a difference. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.